Hello all. Today we will learn one of the social engineering attacks, that is phishing attack.
Hey Alex, I just got this weird email saying I've won a free smartphone. All I need to do is click this link and fill out my details. Should I do it? It seems too good to be true. Whoa, hold on, Jamie, that sounds like phishing to me. You shouldn't click that link. Phishing? What's that? It's a type of online scam where attackers try to trick you into giving them sensitive information, like passwords, credit card numbers, or in this case, personal details. By pretending to be someone you trust, they often use emails, fake websites, or messages to lure you in. Wait, so if I had clicked on that link, what would have happened? A few things could happen. You might be taken to a fake website that looks legitimate, like a bank or a store, and they'll ask you to confirm your details. But as soon as you enter your information, the scammers get it. Sometimes, clicking the link alone can download malware onto your computer. Yikes, that sounds bad. How do they make the email look so real? They're getting really clever. Phishing emails can look almost identical to real ones from companies you trust. They use the same logos, colors, and even fake email addresses that look official. But there are usually signs that give it away. Like what? For one, check the sender's email address carefully. Often, it'll be slightly off, like service@amaze0n.com with a 0 instead of an O. Then, look for urgent language. Phishers often try to create a sense of panic or excitement, like act now, or your account will be closed. Quote, okay, that makes sense. Anything else? Yeah, look at the links before you click them. Hover your mouse over the link without clicking, and you'll see the actual URL. If it doesn't match the real website, it's probably a scam. And never give out personal information through email, no matter how convincing the email looks. Got it. So, what should I do with this email then? Just delete it? Definitely delete it, and if you can, report it as phishing to your email provider. If you accidentally clicked the link or entered any information, change your passwords immediately, and keep an eye on your accounts for any suspicious activity. Thanks, Alex. I had no idea phishing could be so sneaky. I'll definitely be more careful from now on. No problem. It's easy to fall for it if you don't know what to look for. Just remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. I guess I won't be getting a free smartphone today then. Probably not, but at least you've saved yourself from a lot of trouble.